everybody, I'm Lena here. Today we're going to draw my Draw with a Sparkle Easter girl. So let's get started. So to draw this girl, we're going to start like I pretty much always do. Give myself a little point around right here and just do a nice, oh, the Sharpie isn't working, curved line about right here. There we go, that's better. And then we go across to about maybe, let's say right here, and copy it. And then we're just going to kind of slowly bend it in and connect. Like that. And then we're going to bring these things a little bit higher. Like that. And then about right there, we're going to do the eyes. So the eyes are always really simple. I just like to do two circles like this, like that, and then two little circles inside for highlights, like this, and then a nice curved line at the bottom. Oops, it's a little bit short. And then you just shade in the top. Really simple and really cute. Like that, and then you add little tiny lines at the bottom, like that. So then we're going to go up for this one and do two little circles, curved line, and shade in the top. If you're using a pen or even a Sharpie, I'd recommend making the circles really big and then just go over them a little bit, because from my experiences, I've learned that they don't always, like if you make them small, they'll just kind of bleed in. Anyway, so now we're going to bring this up just a tiny bit higher so it's easier once we finish with our lashes. And then we're going to do the lashes. So just two simple, nice little lines like this. And then same on the other side. Now we're going to go in for the brow, like this eye. Just soft, nice little arch above, basically, like this. And then, to make it a little bit more cute, we'll do a nice little smile at the bottom, so it looks a little bit better. And then we'll finish with the face. Point, and then you just kind of slowly connect it like that. Like a little bit more round. That. There we go. Now we're going to do the hair. It's kind of like my last one, if you remember my back to school girl. Super easy. Point. Line down like that. Give myself some parting lines. Give myself another point higher. It's just a lot of points for me. And then you just kind of go out. And this one's a little bit more straighter. But you just, honestly, just kind of wave it down nice, like curvish. And then we'll copy that on the other side. And while we're up here, we'll do her little bunny ear headband. So because this is a Draw with a Sparkle Easter girl, we're gonna, because Easter's coming up, I thought we'd do a little, it's like headband. So you just kind of do it on top of that, like that. Just make it tuck behind. And then you do two large ovals like this, basically. A little bit more simple, and then you copy that inside just so they're a little bit more. And then we'll go back down and do her body, her outfit. This one we're just going to give her like a little top and some shorts and then easy shoes. So do her neck, go out and down. Then give myself 2 points. Those are going to be where the armpits are. And from there, we're just going to do a nice angle line down. And about there, making a little bit further, we're just going to do a straight line across. And then she's going to be wearing some shorts because normally during Easter it's nice and sunny. So I'm going to give myself a little angle line. Like that, slight angle. and then 2 more angle lines coming down from it. And then you copy that down with a straight line. Down a little bit further. A little bit thinner as you go on. And then right there, we're just gonna connect it. That. Then we'll go over some pockets. Like that. And then now we're just gonna continue that line down. So you're getting slightly thinner as we go down. It's kind of harder with this Sharpie. Like that. About there, we're just gonna, she's kind of wearing sandals. We're just gonna stop it a little bit. Like that. Then we're gonna flare it out. Kind of like that. And then we'll do another little part up there. And then give the bottom. Put some texture at the bottom, make it a little bit thicker. And same on the other side. Flare it out. Tuck it in. Do it straight. And kind of like that. So maybe don't make it a square. A little bit more circular at the bottom. Because I'm still learning exactly how to get these because I'm still pretty new. And then we'll go back up to the top here. One arm is going to be down and holding a little Easter basket. Maybe we can even draw some eggs if we want. So that's what we're technically going to do here. You just kind of go it down like that. And then about there, let me bring this down a little bit further so it's equal. We're gonna do her fingers. So these will be her 4 fingers holding the basket. I don't know if you remember, but I did Back to School Girl, and she was holding a Hydro Flask. This is basically like this for like the lid and stuff, except you're just it's a little bit different because it's a basket. So we're gonna bring this down and do that first because we can't miss that. And tuck in a little thumb. Then we're going to go straight across and tuck it down. That. And then to show we have some details in the basket, I'm just gonna kind of crisscross these. So you can do whatever kind of details you want. And you just kind of do some lines and maybe crisscross, make a pattern. Whatever you want. So I hope this inspires you to do your own job of the Sparkle Girl. A little bit more detail. I'm going to go up there. A bit thicker. Like that. So that will be my first one. And then, of course, we have to give her a little cuff because her shirt does end, right? I mean, it's not like her long sleeve shirt just goes on forever and ever and ever. And then we'll go up to this arm. And then this arm is going to just kind of flare out. If you want, you can just tuck it in. But to mine has a little bit. I'm just going to do it on the same. I'm going to stop about there. Give ourselves the cuff, and do the fingers and thumb. So like that. And then we'll go up for details with the shirt. Of course, right? And I'm just going to draw, I just draw a big egg in the middle. Up there, just a nice little oval. And then she needs her collar for her shirt. And then, because I'm using a Sharpie, I don't want to spoil it. But when I go in color, and I can just give myself some little grass. Oh, and then we finish her hair, of course, right? I mean, nobody can not have any hair. Tucked it in. I'll flare it out by her shorts. We give her nice, long, beautiful hair. Like that. And then give her some little tucks in like this. go like that. So I think that is it for my Draw the Sparkle Easter Girl. So yeah, thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.